Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Realme 16 Pro 5G. Okay, we have two methods how you can reset our phone. Of course, I'll show you both methods. Let's begin with the recommended method, and it's a reset through the settings. So open them up, now scroll all the way down until you find System and Update, Backup and Reset, and now click on Reset Phone. Also, before resetting your phone, it's good to have a backup of the data. If you don't know how to create it, on our channel you can find a video in which I'm showing you how to do it step by step. So if you want, you can watch that video if you don't know how to create a backup. So now click on Reset Phone, and we are interested in the last option, Erase All Data, Reset to Factory Settings. But in here we can also reset only the network and Bluetooth settings, and reset all settings, including network and the settings. Those two reset options, they won't delete your data. But we are interested in the factory reset, so I'm going to click on Erase All Data. And now simply click on Clear All Data, or you can click Erase Data but retain eSIM profiles. After that, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again. And the next thing that will appear on the screen will be the setup process, so you'll have to go through it if you want to use your device. And that's the first method. When it comes to the second method, it's a reset using the recovery mode. But when it comes to this method, we need to remember about two things. First thing is that if you have your screen lock set currently, so even after the reset, when you get into the setup process, the phone will want you to type that screen lock as a confirmation that you are a user of this device. But there's also the second thing, and it's the Google verification. If you want sign out right now, and before the reset, the phone will want you to sign in into your Google account also as a confirmation that you're a user of this device. So if you want to avoid that, you can turn off your screen lock right now and also log out from your Google account. But if you don't want to, and if you remember those passwords and everything, you'll be able to type them during the setup process. Now, to perform the reset through the recovery mode, we need to power off our device, so hold power key and select power off. Now we need to wait a little bit until the phone is completely turned off. And to enter recovery mode, we need to hold power key and volume down at the same time until we see the Realme logo. When it appears, we can release the finger from power key, but we need to keep holding volume down. So let me show you that. Power and volume down. Now release the finger from power key, but keep holding volume down. Okay, we are in the recovery mode. We need to select our language. To move around this menu, we can use volume keys. If you want to confirm the selected option, press power button, but the touchscreen also works, as you can see. Okay, so I'll select English as my language. Now select Format Data, type this code using your keyboard, and now click on Format. The wiping process has started, so we need to wait. Okay, data formatted, we can click on OK. Now the phone will turn on automatically. We can already see the Realme logo. And just like in the previous method, now you'll have to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.